All right, everybody. Today we are going to do some drawing. We're going to draw some crazy cars, and we're going to draw some crazy cars using shapes. So we're going to practice drawing our shapes, and we're going to put those shapes together to make a car. So I'm going to do a couple different ones, but I'm going to start, I think, with a rectangle shape. A long rectangle. So I'm going to make a long rectangle shape, and then I am going to put a triangle up here. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 sides, right? So I made a triangle shape. So that's kind of the front of my car, I think. Now, we all know cars have wheels, and cars are what shape? Wheels are what shape? Circles. So I got to draw 2 circles. So I can draw 2 circle shapes, and those are my wheels. What else could I draw in here? I could make, I could take like a square shape and kind of make like the seat maybe. So make like a chair, a seat. And then I could even, if I wanted to put a smaller triangle on the front, I could make like the headlight shape. Or maybe the tail light with another square shape. All right, so this car is, it's almost like it's open, like a open top car. I like this one. I could maybe even make this big rectangle into like a smaller shape and put a door in and use a little rectangle and make a handle. Now, I can make a car like this using rectangle, or I like to do one, and this is a shape we haven't talked about a lot, but it's called a half circle. So you start like you're going to make a really big circle, but you only go halfway, almost like you're making a rainbow shape. And then you connect the 2 sides, so it makes this shape. So see how it looks like I cut a circle in half? That's why it's called a half circle. Now, if I use a half circle, I still need wheels. So I'm going to put my wheels here. And I could still use a triangle shape, maybe for the front window. And then maybe in the middle, I want to have like a rectangle shape for another window, like the door. And then the back, I could have another triangle shape. Right? And so I could make a car using those shapes. And I think I might even decorate my car with another shape. What shape is that? A heart shape. Very nice. This is almost, it reminds me almost of like a carriage, like a princess carriage or something. So here are 2 examples of how to draw a car using shapes. They are silly examples. I am in no way an artist, but I would like to see what you can draw. So today I want you to draw a crazy car made of shapes. Show us your picture and tell us what shapes you used.